Israel just allegedly struck an Iranian nuclear site. But what happens if this sparks a full-blown war? Let me break down the real military power of Iran versus Israel. And trust me, you're going to be surprised who actually has the edge. So let's get straight into it. First, Israel. Small country, but their tech is just next level. They're all about preemptive precision strikes. Think lightning-fast attacks, guided by real-time intelligence and AI. Iran, on the other hand, is a giant. Big population, bigger ambitions, and a style built around asymmetric warfare. That means using militias, launching missiles, and of course, proxies like Hezbollah and the Houthis to make life tough for their enemies. Now, air power. Israel? They've got 600-plus aircraft, and that includes the F-35I Adir, one of the stealthiest, most advanced fighter jets on Earth. Iran manages around 300 aircraft, but most of these are old and not exactly cutting-edge, though they're working on homegrown upgrades. Let's talk drones. Israel's drones are world-class. The Harop, the Heron, and those crazy AI swarm drones. But Iran isn't far behind. They've turned kamikaze drones like the Shahed 136 into a global headline. You've seen these hit Ukraine, the Gulf, and more. Missile arsenal? Iran's got numbers, with over 3,000 missiles, from short range to even intercontinental ones. But Israel's missile defense is just insane. Iron Dome, David Sling, Arrow 3. These systems shoot missiles out of the sky almost like a video game. Cyber warfare and nukes. Time for some drama. Israel's Unit 8200 is like the James Bond of cyber. Iran's no slouch, but they're still learning the ropes. And nukes? Israel's arsenal is unconfirmed, but let's be real, it's definitely a thing. Iran is getting there, but not yet. So who wins? Israel's got tech, speed, and surgical precision. Iran's got the numbers, reach, and a wildcard factor. But now, it's your turn. Who actually has more aircraft, Iran or Israel? Type your answer in the comments. I'll heart every correct one. And if you want to see India leading the future of science and tech, subscribe to @CX24 right now.